How to refund Western Union money transfer. There are many ways to refund your money. You can refund using your Western Union mobile app. If you made the transaction using the Western Union mobile app, log into your account. Look for the transaction in the app and check if there are any options for refund or cancellation. Then just follow their instructions. If you can't refund by this way, you can contact Western Union customer support. Call Western Union customer support from your phone number. Provide the necessary information such as transaction number, sender's name, receiver's name, and the amount sent. Explain the reason for the refund. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.